Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2023 Subaru XV, stock number 6627. This ran from the 12th 2019 to the 6th 2023. Has an FB20W 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol hybrid engine backed by an automatic CVT transmission. This is the FB20W 2-litre 4-cylinder hybrid petrol engine. Left-hand headlight. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, left hand taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right hand taillight, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door mirror, right hand door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,